creating a YouTube channel banner and animating it with Canva. Episode 3, in continuation of our previous work, today I'm going to dive deeper and explain exactly how I create image proposals for YouTube channel banners, particularly focusing on a recent project for a new channel called the Star Society. The banner design for the Star Society was developed using AI-powered text-to-image generation. My starting point was a carefully constructed prompt, essentially a precise set of instructions given to an AI platform. This prompt defined every visual detail clearly, ensuring the AI would deliver an image closely aligned with my creative vision. The design concept for this banner was modern, minimalist, yet subtly glamorous, aimed at capturing the sophistication of contemporary celebrity culture. The background of the banner was intentionally minimalistic, featuring an elegant gradient transitioning from dark to lighter shades such as soft black gray or deep navy tones. This gradient creates a sense of depth and sophistication, without overwhelming viewers or distracting from the central messaging. For foreground elements, my prompt clearly requested elegant typography prominently displaying the channel's name, The Star Society, accompanied by a concise, memorable tagline like your exclusive celebrity insider, where stars shine brighter, or beyond fame and headlines. The use of such brief yet impactful phrases was strategic, capturing audience attention instantly, and positioning the channel as both exclusive and highly relevant within the celebrity niche. In addition to typography, I specified that subtle visual elements, such as small realistic stars or gentle spotlight beams, should gently highlight and frame the channel name. These details add visual intrigue and reinforce the thematic identity of the channel, creating a refined, balanced appearance that is eye-catching without feeling cluttered. Furthermore, I defined a clear color palette to reinforce the brand identity visually. Dark shades like black and dark gray, 121,212, second B2B formed the background foundation, ensuring a luxurious, professional feel. White and silver shades F#E0E0E0 were specified for the text and highlights, providing clarity and contrast. For accent colors, metallic gold CBA 135 or silver Chiro were suggested to add an extra dimension of sophistication and premium appeal. Regarding typography, the prompt clearly specified modern, elegant fonts, Montserrat or Futura for bold, prominent headlines, complemented by Roboto or Open Sans for taglines and secondary descriptions. This careful font selection ensures readability, visual harmony, and a distinctly modern aesthetic. Overall, the visual mood was set to be modern, elegant, realistic, and minimalist, carefully balancing professionalism with exclusivity. This meticulous approach ensured that the AI-generated image closely matched my initial vision, delivering an ideal starting point for the next phase of editing and animation. Part 2. Deconstructing and layering the image in Canva. Now that we've generated our banner image, the next crucial phase is to carefully break it down into individual layers and elements using Canva. This process will allow us later to animate each part independently for a professional, dynamic promotional video. Canva provides powerful yet user-friendly tools to precisely isolate and edit image elements. First, I upload my AI-generated image directly into Canva's workspace. With the image placed into the editor, I then carefully select the background remover or erase tools to begin isolating specific elements. Step-by-step deconstruction process in Canva. 1. Uploading and preparation. Open Canva. Select your project type, YouTube banner, or custom size landscape format. Typically 1920 x 1080 for videos. Upload the AI-generated banner image into your Canva project. 2. Duplicating for safety. Immediately duplicate the original uploaded image. I always retain the original as a backup in case something goes wrong during the editing process. 3. Separating typography. Using Canva's grab and cropping tools, isolate the main typography, the Star Society, into its own individual layer. Carefully crop around this text, creating a separate transparent PNG element. Repeat the process for your tagline. Having each text element isolated gives you total flexibility when animating. 4. Isolating subtle elements, stars, spotlight beams. Return to your original image layer. Using the erase tool meticulously, remove background gradients and typography, leaving only subtle elements like stars and spotlight beams. Zoom closely and use the erase brush carefully to achieve smooth, precise edges around each star or beam. Once complete, export these elements as another transparent PNG layer. 5. Background gradient layer. Finally, isolate your background gradient separately by removing typography and stars completely. Use larger brush settings with the erase tool initially, refining gradually for smooth edges. Once isolated, ensure that this gradient layer is clean and seamless. Save it separately for ease of animation later. Importance of clean layers: each element, typography, subtle visual details, and the background is now a separate transparent PNG file. This layer-by-layer breakdown provides maximum control during animation, allowing smooth, professional transitions, entrances, and visual effects. Removing unnecessary elements during deconstruction. Remove any unintended artifacts or redundant details that don't align perfectly with your visual vision. Always aim for clean, minimalistic layers that maintain professional visual standards. Quality check and refinement. Once each layer is separated, carefully inspect them individually. Use Canva's sharpening, enhancement, or brightness tools if necessary, ensuring each layer looks crisp and professional. Attention to detail here significantly improves final animation quality. Recomposing in Canva Editor. After quality checking each element separately, open a new blank Canva video project in your chosen format, vertical or landscape. Begin importing layers individually, placing background first, then typography, followed by subtle visual elements. Carefully position each to exactly match the original AI-generated image layout. Part 3. Animating layers and adding audio with your visual elements cleanly separated into layers. It's now time to animate them within Canva. Open Canva's animation panel for each element separately, selecting from animation options such as fade, rise, or pan. Start animating your background subtly, e.g., gentle fade in, followed by typography, dynamic entrance, and subtle visual elements like stars, slow, delicate motion. Add a professionally suited audio file from Canva's extensive audio library. Choose calm yet stylish background music aligning with the sophisticated and exclusive branding of the Star Society. Carefully synchronize the animation timing with your audio track. Each visual element should enter at a pleasing interval, enhancing viewer engagement. Lastly, preview your video multiple times, adjusting animation speed, timing, and audio levels for optimal quality. Export your final video in high quality and publish it as a short promotional video, showcasing the dynamic, professional, and visually appealing branding of your YouTube channel. With this structured and detailed process, you'll have effectively transformed an AI-generated image into an animated, professional promotional video, bringing your The Star Society channel vividly to life.